That's an American helmet right there. Ah, yeah. Oh, we didn't get a wave to him. Oh well. Alright, what's going on, YouTube? Dapper Dan here. Another beautiful day here in Colorado. Welcome back to the video. Enjoying the last of the warm weather we're gonna have. We gotta get the riding in while we can. Well, yeah, look at these views. Can't beat the views here. Oh my goodness, guy. Or it was a chick driving, I guess. Here we are, just on a relaxing ride. And they put in another roundabout, geez. They're just putting roundabouts in everywhere. People don't know how to use roundabouts though. Down to second, yep. Alright, hopefully by the time this video comes out, which who knows when that'll be, hopefully we already have the exhaust for this bike on the way. And I'm probably gonna need help installing it for sure. I don't even know if I had the right tools to install it, but we are going to try and install the exhaust ourselves whenever it comes in. It shouldn't be too hard though. Everything is nice and open on these bikes, and I just got to make sure I have the right tools to take off the exhaust and put the new one on. Look at this. Don't even gotta look because we got our own acceleration lane. Most people don't even know about the acceleration lane. I've kind of I never got to do any performance testing on the bobber before I traded it in. Kind of sad about that. But we're definitely going to do some performance testing on here. The 0 to 60 should be pretty nice. It's got a ton of torque down low. I really wanted to do a burnout on the bobber too before I traded it in. That would have made for a pretty cool video. I totally meant to do that, but I forgot. We're not going to do a burnout on this one though, at least not before it needs tires. But these tires are brand new, so who knows how long they'll last. These tires will probably last like, I don't know, 10,000 miles maybe. So it should be a while before we need tires. This bike is way more comfortable for commuting than the bobber was. Just the suspension alone makes it worth it. I don't think I like this bike is definitely way better. I don't think I'll ever go back to another bobber style because that one was just hard. Being that stiff, it was hard on my back, it was hard on everything. I don't think I'll ever own another bobber again, and this is pretty much way cooler and like kind of a similar feeling, but it's got a solo seat on it. You can always add an extra pylon seat or something, but it's 100 times cooler than the bobber ever was. Ooh, $1.86, not bad. At the time of this recording, I still haven't filled this up yet. It's only 2.1 gallons, so at the most, I mean, it'll be $4 to fill it up. They said when I got it at the dealership that whenever the gas light comes on, that you have about 30 miles before you gotta fill it up. And it's supposed to get 48 miles per gallon, which is not why they named it a 48, but they named it a 48 because of the peanut tank. That's apparently something that they used to do in the year 1948. But yeah, I'll let you guys know when I fill it up, but it'll probably only be like $4 to fill it up. Anyway guys, I'm gonna continue enjoying the last of this riding weather. I don't know when this video will come out, probably the end of December, sometime in December, I don't know. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, short little video. If you guys liked the video, make sure you hit the thumbs up button. And let me comment, let me know what you think. If you really liked it, share it with a friend. And if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching and have a good day.